Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we will see how to design a two-way slab in ETABS model. First of all, I will open my model. After the opening the model, you have to just select the plan and go to your story, which story you have to design the slab. I choose particular this slab for my design. First, you saw this slab is not break. I have to just break this slab into the divided portion. First, you will have to select the whole slab, select all the beams, and go to divide cells. After that, you will have to select the first option, cookie cut floor object, and select frame object. And you just have to untick this option and click on apply. As you can see, the slab is divided into floor slab by partition of the beams, and we will design this slab and show the bending moment of this slab in this video. First, we will see what is the slab thickness. Slab property is S1, and you can see there is no load on the slab. First, we will give the load in this particular slab. For that, we will have to go to assign option, assign frame load option. You have two option, but we will go to uniform load option. We just have to add the dead load of 2 kilonewton and click on apply. See, as you can see in the right side on slab, 2 kilonewton is there. After that, I will give the wall load 3 kilonewton wall load and click on apply. After that, you will click on right on the slab and see the loads 2 kilonewton and 3 kilonewton, and we will see this slab 1 property what is will define. For that, you will have to go to define for section and slab section. In slab section, you show the slab S1 mode, go to modify, and you see slab thickness is 200 mm, but we will design as a 150 mm, and our grade is M30, and modeling type is just L thin, and click on OK. Click on OK. After that, you have to go to plan. Go to plan base option. You will have to select all the support and assign. Go to assign option. Go to join. Go to restrain, and you will have to select the fixed support for the base and click on apply. After the clicking on that, you will check this particular slab for the design. You will have to just run the model. This take a little time to run. Now our model is run. After that, you will just have to select the combination. First, you will show the what are the combination we will take. As you can see, there is a no combination. You will have to just add the default design combos. I will just add the defined. You can add your manually combinations. I will just click on concrete slab design and click on convert to use combination and editable. Click on OK. As you can see, all slab combination is there, and after that you will just have to click on OK. After that, you have to just run the concrete slab design. In that, you particularly show that concrete slab design option, and second way is show you design is go to design. That you can show the this option, this this option concrete slab design. First, you will have to just define the all things which code you will have to take. We will consider the IS code 456 2000 for the slab design, and there is a all factor as a by default from the ETAB itself. After that, you will have to just click on the minimum cover of slab. We will use the cover of 25 mm for the slab. You just have to change these two things, and rest is also same, and click on OK. After that, we will just have to run the model again, and after that we will have to just design the slab. For that, go to design, go to concrete slab design. First, you will have to select the combination. I see all combination are selected and click on OK. After again you have to go to design and go to design slab, and you just have to start the design. Click on the start the design. As you can see, our slab is in story 1, so I select the story 1 and click on OK. Now slab is designed. This as you can see, the intensity, total rebar intensity in the square. First we will just have to see the uh, slab moment, and square means area of reinforcement. You can see the area of reinforcement by the APM method, finite element method, and for that you just have to show the main option. For that you will have to go to display option. For that you just have to select this from concrete slab design. You just have to select the display flexural design. Click on display flexural design. You first this option for design basis you will have to select the finite element method. If you draw the strip, you can design by strip, but we will use the finite element method, and we will have to select the first and click on the im- impose minimum reinforcement, and where the maximum limit is 1000 mm square per meter. After that you just have to click on apply. As you can see, our slab as a there is a little bit amount is coming, and first we will select the dia of bar for our slab design. For that you will have to select this middle option, and here is a spacing, here is a dia of bar, and direction 1 top. First we will see the top, first we will see the bottom X. This direction 1 means direction in X direction, our reinforcement in X direction, and direction 2 our reinforcement in Y direction. This is the bottom and this is the top. First we will select the direction 1. Direction 1 means in X direction, our reinforcement is placed along the X direction. So first we will select the bottom. In bottom we will use the 8 dia bar, 8 dia bar and 200 spacing, and after that you will have to click on apply. As you can see, our slab is passed in the 8 dia bar and 200 spacing per reinforcement. After that you will just have to select the direction 2. Direction 2 means in Y direction. This is the Y direction, and after that you will have to click on apply. As you can see, there is a no square is required for this slab. This 8 to 200 is satisfactory. If you provide the top steel, you can select the top X. Top X means X direction in top direction. You just have to select the 12 dia bar or 8 I select 8 dia bar and provide the 200 spacing, same for this, and also select the top dia bar for this. As you can see, our slab is passed in 8 to 200 center to center. This is the slab design as per the IS code. Thank you for the watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel, comment if you have any query. Thank you.